Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Maristel Huntukan. I am 43 years old. I am single mom and I have two kids, 12 years old and 19 years old. I live in Davao City, Philippines. I work in Hong Kong last 2018-2020 as a domestic helper and I finished my contract. My work experience before are cooking, cleaning, ironing, and taking care of two kids. Ma'am and sir, I am trustworthy, patient, hardworking, and flexible. And I promise to do my duties and responsibilities with all my best. I want to work in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is near in the Philippines and the salary is sufficient for my family needs. Ma'am and sir, I hope you give me a chance to work with your home as a domestic helper. Thank you.